Look at all these toys. They're just so stretchy and bendy. They're so much fun. I feel so alive. I've been missing out. I could do this all day. Look at that! Whoa! I love this! I wonder if I could make a giant tube. I'm gonna do it. Here goes. Steady.
I know this. I'm so glad I studied. Ha! This is easy. Huh? What's this? Where did it come from? Hello? It looks like it goes on forever.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Matthew deserves a treat. Off it goes. This is so exciting.
What's that noise? Whoa! Candy! This mysterious tube is awesome!
He got it. Good. There's plenty more where that came from. This funnel will speed things up. I hope he's hungry.
That was so tasty. I wish I had more. What's that? I think I can see something. Woohoo! Look at all this candy! This must be my lucky day! Matthew has candy! Can I have some? It's so yummy! I'll put my house right here. I need to get my cars.
Hi, Noah. This looks like fun.
Hey, Mommy. Wanna play?
Sure. I'll just sit over here.
No, Mommy! My house!
Uh-oh. That didn't sound good.
No!
It was an accident, but I can make it better. I hope. Oh, this 3D pen might be handy. Need some urgent home repairs? We've got you covered. Start with a drawing of a house. Then use the 3D pen to fill it in. The drawing acts as a template. Make long strokes with the pen, covering the whole roof. Keep the lines tight together, avoiding any gaps. Once you've done that, move on to the door. And every house needs windows. Just remember to stay in the lines. Now it's time for the walls. Use a different color for these. Draw around the windows and the door. Slide the house off the paper. It's time to build the house, but there's no need for cement. Just use the 3D pen to stick it together. Make sure you have 4 walls. We don't want this falling apart. Once the walls have been built, turn the house upright. Stick the roof together, then place it on the house. A new home. Look, Noah. I have something for you.
A new house?
You even have a garden.
Wow! Wait! I need to get Dolly!
She looks so happy. I think she likes it.
The fun fair was so much fun. Although I can't believe I threw up on the carousel. Oh look! A bee!
Go away! I hate bees.
What? What have I ever done to you? That lollipop looks good. Save some for me! I love candy! Oh no! It's back! Hey! Watch it! That's it! Now it's personal! You asked for this. Target acquired. Bullseye! All that training really paid off. Ouch! Dad!
Are you okay?
It's so sore!
Oh no, honey. Wait, I need to do something. Don't worry, Daddy will make it better. I'll just, what do I do?
Need some help, buddy?
Whoa, it's a miracle.
See anything you like?
There's so many choices. Let's see. This'll do the trick. Thanks. Don't worry, Daddy will save the day. This will get rid of the stinger. I'll just put it over the sting. Then pull the handle. And it'll suck the stinger right out.
You did it, Daddy! My hero!
Just doing my job. Uh-oh. I think we should get out of here. Run!
Yeah, you better run! All this lollipop just for me! Pew pew!
Oh no! I'm coming, son!
Achoo!
Oh, my poor baby! Are you okay, sweetie?
What's the problem, champ?
I feel sick, Mommy.
Let's get you nice and warm. There, that should help. You'll need to take some medicine. This'll make you feel better. Open wide.
No! I don't want it.
You need to take it. Honey, do something.
I've got it. Why don't you have this lollipop instead? Ha! Fooled you! You can get it once you have your medicine. Go on.
It's not working.
I don't want to take medicine.
This is a tough one. Oh wait, I have an idea. My soda.
We can't give him soda.
Hear me out. Cut a flap into an empty soda can. Be careful with those fingers. That should be big enough. Fold back the flat, then place the medicine bottle inside the can. Then I'll put a drinking straw into the bottle. Then close over the flap. Pretty smart, huh? Shh. It's not really soda.
Sneaky.
Hey Noah, do you want some soda?
Yes, please. It's tasty.
Good boy.
You'll be feeling better soon.
You hear that, kiddo?
Oh, this soda's really good. I don't feel sick anymore.
What a relaxing day. Wow, honey. You're so talented.
Thanks, Mommy. Oops, missed a spot. I wonder what yellow tastes like. Just a quick lick.
Give me that!
You're mean.
That was close. I can't believe he was gonna eat paint. I think I have an idea. First, I need a muffin tray. I'll spray cream into each mold. I should have thought of this earlier. Almost done. Now I need to add food coloring. I'll squeeze a little onto the cream. I'll use different colors. That's the last one. I'll use this popsicle stick to mix them. I need to make sure the food coloring is completely mixed in. These colors look great! It's so bright! It looks just like paint. Noah is going to love it! I think it's ready. Noah, look at this! Here's your paintbrush.
Thanks, Mommy. The blue looks good.
And the best thing is, you can eat it!
Really?
Go ahead!
This is good. I wonder what orange tastes like.
Give it a try. I think you'll like it.
You're right. I do.
I knew you would. That's my little artist. Being a parent might be hard sometimes, but these tips and tricks will make your life easier. All you need is some creativity and a little patience. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.